Looking for a hearty and spicy chicken chili recipe? Well, you've come to the right place. Our goal today is to guide you through the process of preparing this delectable dish, step by step. Get ready to cook a mouth-watering bowl of chicken chili. The first step is to gather all your ingredients. For this delectable chicken chili, you'll need boneless chicken breasts, vegetable oil, an onion, garlic, bell peppers, a jalapeno, blackened kidney beans, diced tomatoes, corn, chicken broth, and a medley of spices. Remember, the jalapeno is optional, depending on your spice tolerance. With all your ingredients ready, it's time to start cooking. Now, heat the vegetable oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Add in the diced chicken, seasoned with a pinch of salt and pepper, and cook until it's browned on all sides. Once done, set it aside for a while. In that same pot, it's time for the aromatics. Toss in the chopped onions, minced garlic and jalapeno, and sauté until the onions become translucent and you can smell the fragrant aroma wafting in the air. Then, invite the browned chicken back to the pot. Add in the diced red and green bell peppers, black beans, kidney beans, corn, diced tomatoes, and chicken broth. Stir in the ground cumin, chili powder, smoked paprika, dried oregano, salt, and pepper. Bring this mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low. Cover and let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. This allows all the flavors to meld together and the chicken to cook through. Once it's cooked to perfection, it's time to serve. Ladle the chicken chili into bowls and get ready to garnish. Consider adding a fresh pop of color with cilantro or green onions. For a creamy twist, sprinkle shredded cheese and a dollop of sour cream. Don't forget the crunch of tortilla chips. Now all that's left is to enjoy your hearty and spicy chicken chili. Bon appetit! And there you have it, a simple yet delicious chicken chili recipe. In just a few easy steps, you've transformed basic ingredients into a heartwarming dish. Remember, this recipe is flexible. Make it your own. Enjoy your meal and don't forget to share this recipe with your fellow foodies.